Welcome to Realty Rookies, your ultimate guide to navigating the exciting world of real estate. Whether you're buying, selling, or just curious, we've got the tips, tricks, and insider knowledge to help you succeed in your real estate journey. If you're new to the world of real estate or looking to dip your toes into this exciting industry, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll provide you with a brief overview of real estate basics for beginners, explain the importance of understanding real estate fundamentals, and highlight the benefits of learning about real estate. Understanding the basics of real estate is crucial for anyone looking to buy, sell, or invest in property. By grasping the fundamentals, you'll be better equipped to navigate the complexities of the market, make informed decisions, and ultimately achieve your real estate goals. Whether you're a first-time homebuyer, a potential investor, or simply curious about the world of real estate, learning about this field can open up a world of opportunities for you. From building wealth through property investments to finding your dream home, the knowledge you gain from this guide can empower you to make smart choices and secure a brighter financial future. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to embark on your real estate journey. Let's dive into the exciting world of real estate together. Understanding real estate. To kick off our exploration of real estate for beginners, let's delve into some key concepts and terminology that will lay the foundation for your journey in this dynamic industry. First and foremost, let's define some common real estate terms that you're likely to encounter along the way. A mortgage is a loan used to finance the purchase of a property, while equity refers to the value of the property minus any outstanding mortgage balance. An appraisal is an assessment of a property's value conducted by a licensed appraiser to determine its market worth. Next, let's talk about the crucial role that real estate agents and brokers play in property transactions. These professionals act as intermediaries between buyers and sellers, helping to facilitate smooth and successful real estate deals. Their expertise and knowledge of the market can be invaluable in guiding you through the buying or selling process. Lastly, it's essential to understand the different types of properties in the real estate market. Residential properties are homes designed for living, while commercial properties are used for business purposes. Industrial properties, on the other hand, are typically used for manufacturing or production activities. By familiarizing yourself with these fundamental concepts, you'll be better equipped to navigate the world of real estate with confidence and clarity. Financial planning in real estate. When it comes to real estate investments and purchases, having a solid financial plan in place is key to achieving your goals and maximizing your returns. In this section, we'll explore the various financial aspects related to real estate and provide you with valuable insights to help you make informed decisions. One of the most critical financial considerations in real estate is obtaining a mortgage. Understanding the process of securing a mortgage, the different types available, and the implications of taking on this debt is essential for anyone looking to buy property. A mortgage can have a significant impact on your financial well-being, so it's crucial to carefully evaluate your options and choose a loan that aligns with your long-term financial goals. In addition to mortgage considerations, budgeting for property maintenance, taxes, and insurance is another important aspect of financial planning in real estate. Owning a property comes with ongoing expenses, and being prepared for these costs can help you avoid financial strain down the line. Furthermore, exploring strategies for building equity and increasing property value can help you grow your real estate portfolio and boost your overall financial standing. From making strategic renovations to leveraging market trends, there are various ways to enhance the value of your property and maximize your investment potential. By taking a proactive approach to financial planning in real estate, you can set yourself up for success and unlock the full potential of your real estate ventures. Property search and evaluation. As a beginner in the world of real estate, embarking on a property search and evaluation process can feel overwhelming. However, with the right guidance and knowledge, you can navigate this journey with confidence and clarity. In this section, we'll explore how to search for properties and evaluate them effectively as a beginner. One of the first steps in your property search is to research online platforms and tools for property listings and comparisons. Websites and apps dedicated to real estate listings can provide you with a wealth of information on available properties, market trends, and pricing data. By leveraging these resources, you can narrow down your search and identify potential properties that align with your preferences and budget. When evaluating properties, it's essential to assess factors such as the condition, location, and potential of the property. Consider the property's structural integrity, amenities, proximity to essential services, and future growth potential in the area. These aspects can significantly impact the property's value and your overall satisfaction as a homeowner or investor. Furthermore, understanding the importance of property inspections and legal considerations is crucial in the evaluation process. Inspections can uncover hidden issues that may affect the property's value or safety, while legal considerations such as zoning regulations and property rights can impact your ownership rights and future plans for the property. By following these guidelines and approaching your property search and evaluation process thoughtfully, you can make informed decisions and find a property that meets your needs and aligns with your real estate goals. Negotiation and closing deals. Mastering the art of negotiation is a crucial skill in the world of real estate, whether you're buying, selling, or investing in property. In this section, we'll guide you through the process of negotiating and finalizing real estate transactions with confidence and finesse. To excel in negotiations, it's essential to develop skills for negotiating price, terms, and conditions with sellers or agents. Understanding the market dynamics, assessing the property's value, and effectively communicating your needs and preferences can help you secure a favorable deal. By being prepared to negotiate and being flexible in your approach, you can increase your chances of reaching a mutually beneficial agreement. When it comes to making an offer and closing a deal, it's crucial to understand the steps involved in the process. From submitting an offer to conducting inspections, securing financing, and finalizing the transaction, each stage requires careful attention to detail and timely action. By staying organized and proactive throughout the closing process, you can ensure a smooth and successful transaction. Additionally, discussing the legal aspects of contracts, agreements, and closing procedures is essential for protecting your interests and ensuring a legally binding transaction. Understanding the terms of the contract, reviewing all documentation thoroughly, and seeking legal advice when needed can help you navigate the complexities of real estate transactions with confidence. By following these guidelines and honing your negotiation skills, you can navigate the negotiation and closing process with ease and achieve your real estate goals effectively. Property management and maintenance. As a real estate beginner, understanding how to effectively manage and maintain properties is essential for ensuring the long-term success and profitability of your real estate investments. In this section, we'll explore key aspects of property management and maintenance to help you navigate this critical aspect of real estate ownership. When it comes to property management, it's important to explore techniques for managing rental properties or personal homes effectively. From screening tenants and collecting rent to handling maintenance requests and resolving disputes, effective property management can help you maximize your property's value and minimize risks. Regular maintenance, repairs, and upgrades are also crucial components of property ownership. By prioritizing routine maintenance tasks, addressing repairs promptly, and considering strategic upgrades, you can enhance the appeal, functionality, and value of your property over time. Investing in property maintenance can also help you avoid costly repairs and prolong the lifespan of your property. Furthermore, discussing tenant relations, lease agreements, and legal responsibilities is essential for maintaining positive relationships with tenants and complying with legal requirements. Understanding the terms of lease agreements, addressing tenant concerns promptly, and staying informed about landlord-tenant laws can help you navigate the complexities of property management with confidence and professionalism. By following these guidelines and prioritizing effective property management and maintenance practices, you can create a positive and sustainable real estate investment portfolio that yields long-term success and profitability. Conclusion. Congratulations on completing our guide for real estate for beginners. Throughout this journey, we've covered essential topics and provided valuable insights to help you navigate the world of real estate with confidence and success. Let's recap the main points discussed and key takeaways from this guide. Understanding real estate basics is crucial for beginners, as it lays the foundation for making informed decisions and achieving your real estate goals. By grasping key concepts such as property valuation, market trends, and legal considerations, you can navigate the complexities of the real estate industry with ease. Financial planning, property search, and negotiation are key aspects of real estate that we've explored in depth. Developing strong negotiation skills, conducting thorough property searches, and prioritizing financial planning can help you make smart investment decisions and secure profitable real estate deals. As you continue your real estate journey, we encourage you to take action by further exploring real estate resources and education. Whether it's attending seminars, networking with industry professionals, or conducting independent research, continuous learning and growth are essential for success in the dynamic world of real estate. Remember, real estate is a rewarding and ever-evolving field that offers endless opportunities for growth and prosperity. By applying the knowledge and skills you've gained from this guide, you can embark on your real estate journey with confidence and achieve your goals. Best of luck on your real estate endeavors. Thanks for watching Realty Rookies. We hope you found this video helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And remember, we're here to help you every step of the way.